This tutorial is brought to you by JX Star, link in the description. And today you will learn how to create an APC that drives along a path. There is actually a prefab in Hammer that has an APC, so just go to categories, change that to prefabs, and then you look for APC underscore on underscore path. And this has a complete APC setup, but we will make this from scratch here so you can understand how this works. So first off, I'm going to create an entity called prop underscore vehicle underscore APC. And then I go into its properties by pressing Alt Enter and changing the name to APC. I'm changing the model here. Filter for APC and just pick the combine underscore APC model. And then we need to change to the script file, because the original script file here, jeep underscore test, will make stuff work very weirdly. It will turn slowly and all that. So change that to apc underscore npc.txt. And we want it to start locked, otherwise the player can enter it and it won't be able to drive it and he will get stuck, and well, it's just a big hassle, so make it locked. Now we need some kind of NPC to drive this thing, so I'm going to create a NPC underscore APC Driver. Just place that anywhere. And then I set its name to driver. I set its vehicle to drive to APC because we want it to drive the APC. And then I'm going to set its max speed to 0.5 because otherwise it goes a bit too quickly here. I'm turning off the attacks there as well because I don't want it to kill me when I'm testing this out later. And then I'm going to create the path that it will drive on. So just put a path underscore corner there, set a name and a number there, preferably. You can change the speeds here as well if you want him to change speed when he gets to one of these path corners. Then I hold shift and drag it out and place it, and you will see it will change the next top target to path 2 and set this one's name to path 2. So it's really easy to make a path like this. Just hold shift and drag. And then I change the next top target to on the last one to path 1. So now we have like a circle here, where a square is circle. And next up is setting the target path corner to path 1, so it will drive there when it starts. And by default it won't actually start driving when the map starts, so we need to place a logic auto there and go to the output tab and add a new one. On map spawn, when the map spawns, target entity is named driver via this input start forward. And that's it. Now let's compile this and see how it looks. And that's it, mission successful. So if you learned something from this tutorial, please favorite it and help spread the word. Also, if you appreciate some fragging videos, check out JX Star's channel. There's a link right there. He really helped me out, so please go to his channel, subscribe, give him a comment and tell him I sent you. And that's the end of this tutorial. So thanks a lot for watching, and I wish a superb day upon you.